Hey guys, what's going on? Today I just bought the Zhiyun Weebill S, and that's kind of like the smallest gimbal for a DSLR. I mean, I'm gonna buy this small gimbal for my D800, no, D850, plus my really heavy Sigma 1424. So it's really heavy loaded. So I was skeptical whether this heavy camera would be, I mean, if it's suitable actually for this small gimbal. But apparently, according to the compatibility list, I think you can use it. But I actually tested this one in the store, the mount on the gimbal, and it actually did work. So I purchased this one. This is sort of like the smallest like DSLR gimbal for like heavy cameras like the Nikon D850. So let me unbox this thing. So it's pretty small, as you can see in a box, compared to the other gimbals. So that's the main pieces here. As you can see, let me just take this off. So this is the main piece. And let me mount this grip here onto it. Actually, it was open prior, and so I actually assembled one of the pieces on it already. And I actually purchased this additional grip here. This is really important, and it goes like this. Oh shit, no. I have to, let me see, these 4 dots, they have to match. Right, let me lock this up. So that's kind of like the final piece. So that's it. So I'm gonna put the 850 Nikon on it, and then do some adjustments, and then show you what it looks like. Alright guys, it took me a while to actually calibrate this thing here, and now it sort of works. So this handle is like really handy, so it's pretty heavy. So I guess I still need to practice and see all these functions and stuff, but you know, you're not supposed to like mount this heavy lens on it. It's not supposed to work. I think you see how close this part gets to here, so I can barely actually mount this whole thing and get this calibrated properly. So yeah, but it sort of works, so it's good for now. But maybe in the future I want to actually buy a lighter, you know, Z7. I mean, but right now I don't have any of the options. This is the lightest one I can get for travel and stuff. And yeah, it works for now. But then in the future, if I want more professional works and stuff, or like features and stuff, so I'm gonna have to learn, you know, how to use this thing first properly, and then yeah, I won't be able to tell, you know, if I can use it properly now. It seems like the basic gimbal function works and stuff. I mean, all this stuff I actually checked. All these functions here. Oops, actually here, yeah, you can see I can use this thing that goes up and down. So yeah, and I just need to figure out, like, you know, if I go more advanced later and see all this function, to see if it works. Yeah, for now, you know, this is supposed to be just a very brief unboxing video. This is not a review or anything, but yeah, it works. I guess the Nikon lens, the 1424, is actually way lighter than this, so it should be easier to work with this gimbal. This is very heavy, this one. So yeah,